Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is your sister Farina. I'm going live to talk to many of you. Jazakallah khair for asking me to go live. This is about revival. So let's talk. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Pakistan is at the crossroad right now. I know we have been beaten, trashed, literally, butchered by the corrupt rulers, the corrupt politicians and everything. And especially the Pakistani army that actually is topped by the corrupt people is actually taking over the Pakistani politics, the Pakistani nation and everything. Right now, the crossroads is because it's a now or never kind of situation in Pakistan. Either you take over the power, take care of your own needs, take care of your own decision making and own Pakistan, or you keep living like that for the rest of the following years. So this Pakistani nation is standing at that point where people are being destroyed internally and externally. People are being ruled externally by Western politicians and Western governments, Zionists, and these Pakistani army journals, the top cream is fully being used to spread the corruption, right? Jazakallah khair for joining. Hi Sky Blue. Thank you so much for joining the live. So the current top layer of Pakistani army is corrupt, and they are taking the control of the entire nation of so many millions of people. And this is such a shame. And Bangladesh most recently has set a precedent for a similar situation where actually people this is such a shame. And Bangladesh most recently has set a precedent for a similar situation where actually people of the